What's up, guys? This is Albert Garcia. I am a local realtor in DFW. If you don't know what that means, then you might be from out of state. DFW, Dallas, Fort Worth. Dallas and Fort Worth are basically twin cities, not identical twins, they're quite different. I want to show you what your money can buy here in Texas.
The #1 Google Realtor, is that true? Yes it is, you can check out his reviews, they speak for themselves. You want the best in the town? Then I know who you need to call right now. Albert Garcia. Welcome to Albert Garcia's YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go!
Here it is. This house I listed, it's a 5-bedroom house in Grand Prairie, about 3,500 square feet, 3.5 bath. It's got a gas starter fireplace you're seeing there, and it's got stone all the way to the top. This house has many upgrades. You'll see some video of the kitchen a little later. These are just kind of highlights that I'm going through. This has a 3-car garage up in front. Now if you want a side entry garage or rear entry garage, we got to look probably south of Dallas, maybe about 30 minutes south, Midlothian and Waxahachie. This house actually showed like a model home because the seller actually worked for the builder, D.R. Horton. This area has many phases and they're all complete. There's no real new construction in this particular subdivision, but the Lake Ridge / Mira Lagos area is a place where a lot of people from out of state want to move to. They just love the sizes of the homes. There's the front of the home. You'll see another shot here in a second, and there it is. This house is on about a third of an acre, which is a huge lot, enough for a swimming pool. And there's the kitchen again. Now this one does have upgraded colors, upgraded floors, upgraded countertops. Not super typical. This couple actually put every upgrade when they bought the house back in, I believe, 2017. Now I listed it for $420,000. Now at the time of uploading this video, it sold quickly to a couple from California for $430,000. So if you're from out of state, let me know. Actually, I'm going to put a link in the description for more houses in that area that are kind of like it. You'll have to sign up, but you'll get a list of homes in that area. This media room, not super typical. It's a little bigger, about a third bigger than the typical media room. I hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough as much as I did. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If you have any requests, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to make it happen. Don't forget that there's a few links in the description that will get you a list of homes for those particular areas that I mentioned in the video. As always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.